going on?
Who is this man? Does he not know who I am?
Well, he's the security. What are you doing? Yeah, well, it's okay. Let him come.
Hey!
We get interrupted all the time.
This man obviously doesn't know I speak karate.
You speak karate?
That's right. I don't take Kwando from no one.
Kwando? Well, Harold the Plumber's here, everybody. Give Harold the Plumber a great big... He's a very unique gentleman, Harold the Plumber.
Well...
What is this, Harold? Okay, what we got here, Harold?
It's a work order to fix the leak in the baptismus.
Well, I want you to get it, I want you to get in Rock Foundation, Harold. Have you went through Rock Foundation yet?
Well, I did get saved when Pastor Lane and his lovely wife, Coral,
But you need to be in Rock Foundation.
Well, what is it? Tell me about it.
Well, it's a course on the foundational stones, you know, faith toward God, repentance from dead works, baptism. It gives you a lot of good information to lay a solid foundation in your life, Harold. It'll stimulate your intellect.
I'm already saved.
But it will stimulate your intellect.
I ain't got no intellect. And if I had one, I wouldn't have want it stimulated.
It will help. It'll help you know what you believe, Harold.
I don't know what this is. I'm just trying to be a man doing my job. Well, what else?
What else?
Yeah, what else?
Well, that's all I can say to you. Do you think you
Where do you sign up for the darn thing?
You sign up in the foyer. Out in the lobby.
Oh, in the lobby?
Out the front of the building.
I don't speak French.
Are you going to sign up, Harold?
Do you want me to sign up?
I want you to sign up.
Well, you're the boss around here.
It'll change your life.
I guess I will.
All right. Bye, Harold.
Bye.
You got to love Harold.
Good afternoon, Barnabas. As you know, one of our arch enemies, Saul of Tarsus, is a ringleader of international terrorism. A special agent has been dispatched from headquarters to intercept Saul on the road to Damascus. We have received a communique indicating some drastic changes in Saul's condition. Your mission, should you decide to accept it, is to travel to our safe house in Damascus and contact our agent there. Analyze what has taken place with Saul and determine if he is still a threat to our division there in Damascus. Be careful. The enemy uses clever disguises. Godspeed, Barney. This tape will self-destruct in 15 seconds from when you put it in.